How to do full backup using SQL Server agent. So for that we need some basics how to do full backup using queries. So for that, this is the query we need to do full backup. So I'm doing full backup within the drive C in backup folder with the name database name, same database name with the full backup. So this is the path I am using here, but actually in the same path we have already one backup file which the date created date was 11:37 of today. So when I try to execute this statement, it got success, means backup was created. But what that backup is doing is it is replacing previous backup. See, now the time is 11:52 present time, so it is replacing previous backup. So that is not the client requirement. Client requirement is need backups daily. So how? So his backup should be database name underscore with the year, month, date, time, hours, minutes and seconds. In the same format the client need that one. To generate this string we need date and time. So actually when I try to execute get date, it is showing the format was different than the client format. So for that we need some built-in functions. Those built-in functions are convert and replace to generate this type of string. For that I'm using this is the strings to generate the times. See here in the get using get date, it is first select statement is creating only date, second statement is creating only time. But what is there here to it is using dots here, but client requirement we do not have any dots. In the same way in time also we do not have any colons in the client requirement. So to replace those special characters I am using replace built-in function. Instead of dot I am replacing empty, and instead of colon I am replacing empty for particular these functions. So when I try to execute these 5 select statements at a time, it is generating. See here in the bottoms it is generating without special characters. This is the date and this is the time. So these I have to concat these two, then only I can generate client requirement string. Okay, for that I'm generated already here. See the statement which we have executed I am placing into date string, same for time string. But this date and time I have to concatenate so that I can generate client requirement format. So when I try to execute this same statement, it will create a backup in the backups folder with client requirement format. So let's execute this. So it is executed. Let's go and check that. See here, so backups are different, it is not replacing the previous backup. Now see when I try to execute, so I'm going to so same statement I'm executing for tomorrow. For tomorrow means see another backup file, it is not replacing the previous files, it is creating, but the time was different, 52 11:52 11:55 11:56. But I don't want execution this one minute by minute. I want daily at midnight, daily at midnight. So for that what we have to do, midnight means the developer may be available or may not be available. So developer needs to create one job using SQL Server agent. For that, just right click on jobs folder and create new job. So what is that? Full backup of what? Full. So I'm just deleting this one and I am creating new job. What is that new job? Full backup. Full backup of pubs. So owner is system administrator and it is uncategorized because we do not have any option for backups. See here, no option for backup. So I choose it as uncategorized. So what is the description? Let's copy from here. Pub backup database daily at midnight. So to understand for other developers. So I am creating one step right now. See here, this is the step. What is this? Is the step for full backup. And I am using tsql statement. So this is the statement. Let's wait. So this is the statement I have to replace in command text box. So what is the database I have to use? Pubs or master. You can use it any one. So definitely you have to use master only because you are doing backup of pubs. So you cannot use pubs database. So I'm using master. When I click OK button, it will create step. Okay. So what is schedule? I said the scheduling time should be daily. Daily means it should have to be recurring. So what is the name of the scheduling? Schedule pubs backup daily. So I said daily, so it should have to be at what time occurs once at 12 a.m. means it is in midnight. So that's it. So it start from today 20th December 2015 and no end date. So it will be create daily without end date. So click OK button. So this is the new job we have created. So when I click OK button, it will be create here. See, so it has some type mistake problem. Back up. So full backup of pubs. So if you want to modify anything, you can go to properties, you can change it, timings or steps or general, any history to that one. So this is the concept for full backup. Same format, same within the backups folder, it will create daily at midnight backups. So this is the client requirement. That's it.